Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Papaya is a very useful vegetable or fruit for our body. Raw papaya is a vegetable and ripe fruit. People who have upset stomach can eat papaya. Papaya contains more carotene than other fruits. And since the amount of calories is very low, those who are suffering from fat problem can easily eat papaya. It is rich in vitamins A and C. Eating sweets is prohibited for those who have diabetes. But papaya is a very available fruit in our country, which is sweet but can be eaten by diabetics. If you have eye problems or colds, you can eat papaya, it will help. People suffering from digestive problems will benefit from eating papaya. This results in no harmful ingredients. Papaya contains potassium. So this fruit helps in controlling blood pressure. It also reduces hypertension a lot. Papaya reduces the level of harmful cholesterol in the body. Therefore, regular consumption of papaya helps reduce the risk of heart problems such as heart attack and stroke. Those who have frequent ear infections can try eating papaya. They will get benefits. Papaya is a fruit rich in antioxidants, thus helps in maintaining the skin's luster and radiance. Keeps blood circulation normal. Besides, papaya has many other qualities. Ayurveda has a long tradition of using papaya to treat various diseases and symptoms. For example, increases immunity. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C and E. These vitamins increase immunity and eliminate various problems in the body. Vitamin C present in it is very beneficial for skin, hair and gums. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, which is essential for eyes, mucous membranes and beautiful skin. Due to the presence of these elements, papaya is considered as a nutritious fruit. When the body is dry, there is no reason why many people are facing such a condition that the body is drying unnecessarily. The incidence of this symptom is high, especially in young people. It comes with symptoms like body fatigue, a depressed mood, reluctance to study or work. Constipation is often associated with this. Papaya is very effective in this regard. Whether raw or cooked, eat a few pieces every day in the morning and afternoon. Eat regularly for at least 1 month. To increase digestion. Digestive disorders are a widespread problem. If the digestive power decreases, heartburn will occur, the mouth will be swollen, stomach pain will start. Sometimes it's a pain in the chin, sometimes it's a terrible pain. Sometimes the stool is not clear and sometimes the stomach is upset. The body becomes weak. Lethargy occurs in the body. Papaya is also useful in this case. Papaya is rich in enzymes that help in digestion. Also has a lot of water and soluble fiber. People suffering from digestive problems can eat ripe or raw papaya as a regular food. Reduce high blood pressure. Blood pressure problems occur in people after 40-45 years. Blood pressure may increase or decrease. High blood pressure causes various symptoms. In case of a sudden fall, any part of the body is likely to become useless. Numbness is seen in the body. People with high blood pressure can use raw or ripe papaya. Both are beneficial. But eat a few pieces and regularly. It will take a few months. In case of filarial disease, filaria is a mosquito-borne disease. Papaya plant can be used to cure various symptoms of filariasis. Collect some papaya leaves and boil them well in hot water. Now if the leaves are baked in a hot condition and baked regularly for a few days, the symptoms of filariasis will be reduced a lot. Lowers cholesterol. Papaya has no cholesterol like other fruits. And papaya has a lot of fiber. So those who are worried about cholesterol problems should keep papaya in their daily food list. Eat papaya instead of other cholesterol-rich foods. Then your cholesterol level will be under control. Source of antioxidants and carotene. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, flavonoids, lutein, cryptoxanthin. There are also many other nutrients that are very beneficial for the body. Carotene reduces the risk of lung and other cancers. Antioxidants protect the body from age-related damage. Replenishes vitamin B deficiency. Papaya contains vitamin B1 and vitamin B6 and is also rich in folate, an essential vitamin. So papaya should be consumed regularly to fill the deficiency of vitamin B. Papaya also has some other nutritional benefits. Breast milk will increase if mothers who have just given birth eat raw papaya curry regularly. Raw papaya is more medicinal than ripe papaya. Pectin or papaya gum has many properties. Chew a piece of raw papaya well and drink a glass of water every day after eating rice at noon and after eating rice or roti at night to clear the stomach in the morning. Raw papaya or papaya plant gum is very beneficial for stomach ailments, constipation, etc. Regular consumption of papaya curry is beneficial for stomach ache or diarrhea. Raw papaya gum has a strange power to get rid of dysentery.